Hello, welcome back to the JavaScript practical tasks. So we have just finished looking at task number 5. I will leave you to tackle task number 6, and in this video I'm going to tackle task number 7. Yes, I'm going to tackle task number 7. So since task number 6 is really way similar to task number 5, I'll leave it to you to figure that out. So I'm going to focus on task number 7. So task number 7 tells us to save. Let me change the screen size. So I needed to change my screen size so that I can see more on the screen. So coming to question number 7, create a web page with the following HTML elements: an orange H1 heading containing the text safe border, a blue H2 heading containing the text trip details, a paragraph element, a paragraph element, a paragraph element. Save the web page as safe border underscore post underscore trip static. So I'm going to copy this name directly from here. I hit copy. I come over here in VS Code. I bring up my Explorer so I can create a new file here. I just paste in the name. Okay, let me click on the new file again, and I just hit Ctrl V from my keyboard. I press enter. So let me bring up the boilerplate code with the exclamation mark, enter. So let me hide the Explorer. I hit Ctrl B on my keyboard. Let me put VS Code side by side. Let me drag it on the edge of my screen. Okay. And let me reduce this a bit. Okay, let me put this side by side as well. Okay, so here so I just have to put an H1 that has the text safe border. Then I put an H2 that has the text trip details. Then I put a paragraph that has pickup. I put another paragraph that has drop off. I put another paragraph that has cost. And I save the page. So I'm going to hit Ctrl S. Then I'll come over to the folder. It's called safe border post strip static. Okay, let me put this side by side. So it has my details. Let me turn off the dark mode. I cannot see that clearly. Dark mode. So that's what we have in the question. There is something else it was saying. The H1 heading, orange, it should be orange. So I'm going to add a script, a style setting. So this is CSS. So in my CSS, I'm going to say let the h1 elements have a text. Let them have a color of orange. So let me scroll down. That's chocolate. Where is orange? Orange. That is the brand color for safe border. Let me hit Ctrl S on my keyboard, and this dot shows you that big dot, it shows that I have unsaved changes. So when I hit Ctrl S, that dot disappears, which means I can refresh. So when I refresh, good. So I have my details, my trip details, my pickup, my drop off, and my cost. So that's all for this task. The aim of this task is to demonstrate that HTML on its own just displays static content which really doesn't change. So that was the aim of this practical task. Make sure I watch the next practical task to show how JavaScript really comes in to make this content dynamic and relevant to the user of the system. Bye for now.